The time is now, right now. This is the hour, this is the new dawn. This is the new day. Now is the time, for nature in all her glory hath named you her king. She has named you the king. 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 Named you the king.
This that feeling we need more of. The hating just brought me more love. Guaranteed my vice is different than yours was. Drunk off power and I was pouring up. When all y'all treated me like an orphan. The classes turned me to Daddy Warbucks. The stables for the Rarries and Porsches. The fame was only getting me more buzzed. Some of my loved ones turned lost ones. The pain was truly blurring my thoughts up. I brought a white queen to the altar. Couldn't happen without Martin Luther. What's the Kelly Price? What's the Kevin Costner? What's the Kelly cost? Birkin is a tosser. Is it really love when it's bought love? She would never let me fuck if I was fucked up. Why you think we run it up for? The truth hurts, homie, tough love. The hero became the villain now. We gon' send it up and go 1,000,000 miles. And she ain't dealing with no shallow house. She want that Iron Man like Gwyneth Paltrow. That's why people throwing in the towel. Foe, that dopeness I distribute like Al Poe. They don't take it to the heights that I'll go. They burn out on that black and mild flow. They had to run but easy got it now. Though it's over with for them like it's the outro. You know what season it is.
Baby, what's on your mind? Tell it to me straight. Put the truth on the plate and let me digest it. What's the situation? We never addressed it. I break down your words, watch me dissect it. I wanna know the meaning, I wanna know your feelings, I wanna know the reasons. You've been real from the jump. We had a couple bumps, but you've been real from the get-go. I do appreciate it. Sometimes I forget though. I fuck with you there for. Tell me about your future. Tell me what's the end goal. We came from the ghetto where we came from. We moved on from stage 1. We moved on from stage 2. Now I'm in the third base. You was real in the first place. Me, I'm just crazy. Make sure you wait for me. You belong to me basically. What you wanna say to me? Be patient and wait for me. Be patient and wait for me. Girl with a nice body, said she got surprise for me. Said she gonna fight for me. It's nothing you can hide from me. I like you for your mind and not your nice body. Wanna spend time and you know time is money. Wanna spend time, you my girl with a nice body. Said she got surprise for me. Said she gonna fight for me. It's nothing you can hide from me. I like you for your mind and not your nice body. Wanna spend time and you know time is money. Wanna spend time, you my best buddy.
Tell me what's on your mind, you need to keep it real with me. Tell me how you really feel. Why does that sound so hard? You got trust cause we were falling in it. So close, be distant with it. I hope that you can find the words. Cause I've had desires to be one side of you. I just wanna ride with you, I'm as crazy too. You're gonna be mine in due time, it's so timing. Are you gonna ride for me? Nice buddy. Cause I wanna see you winning, cause I wanna see you smiling. Let me take you to an island, we be chilling, we be vibing. I'm tryna read your body language every time you're silent, baby. Open up your eyelids, can't you see that I'm trying? I know you got some trauma that you're hiding. Life is rough, but we surviving. Know that your temperature rising. You're gonna be mine in due time. It's so timing. You gon' ride for me, nice body. Tell me what your mind is.
Girl with a nice body, said she got surprise for me. Said she gonna fight for me. It's nothing you can hide from me. I like you for your mind and not your nice body. Wanna spend time and you know know time is money. Wanna spend time, you my girl with a nice body. Says she got surprise for me, says she gonna fight for me. It's nothing you can hide from me. I like you for your mind and not your nice body. Wanna spend time and you know time is money. Wanna spend time, you my best body. I like you for your mind and not your nice body. I like you for your mind and not your nice body. I like you for your mind and not your nice body. Nice body, nice body.
I don't speak, let the chick talk for me. I can't sleep, that's the tick in my reach. Hit the dope, make me choke, make me weak. Sip the dope, have the pain at ease. Tryna get the money for a plane, it was dirty. Playing football, hide the fire in my girdle. Getting locked up, running around in a circle. Brother caught 15 like he did a murder. Now my whole family hurting. Trying to see the light, but we couldn't pull the curtain. Nighttime lurking. Mama said the street lights, but they started working. Looking at my mama in the eye. Mama looking at me like a new person. She telling me I need to slow down. The pain will go away with the perk. That was when the rap wasn't working. Living in the trap is a search. See my grandma in a hearse. Pistol P gone in the casket. Shots fired, nigga blasting. Cops, they'll rush, start smashing. Ops, we shoot shots like they're mad. Cops, put the cash up and we stash it. We flop, we doing numbers, can't imagine. Money tunnel in the roof panoramic. Count the bottles till my hands start cramping. I come with the drip and need a nap. I'm a maniac, go crazy for the cash. Green Lamborghini, paper tags. Riding through the city, 30 mad. Niggas snitching, they the police with no badge. How I grew up, my mama with my dad. So when I blew up, I put her in the pad. I like to throw it when I think about the crash. Like hell, when I hit the tree, I smell the gas. Looking at the sky, think about my bag. When I used to kick it door, shoot you for the cash. Everybody hit the floor for you, make me mad. Devil had a nigga soul living too fast. Praying to the Lord, my soul to keep controlling me, take a hold of me. Bitches ain't shit, got exposed by E. So naive, cold in the street. I've been crossed out by my own brother. Ain't no rules in the street, don't trust him. Ran it up and I had to go and bust it. Police about to kick the door, now we gotta flush it. Riding on the back street, thinking about my brother. Praying that he come home to his loving mother. Can't believe it that I got it all out the gutter. FaceTime round 3, Mike in the puddle. How I'm supposed to take it? Niggas dying around the same time I had a baby. Here go the operator. Let the game know, pistol ain't gon' make it. Now my mind going brazen. Got me feeling like I was the cause of the hatred. I'm the cause of holding the revolver with the laser. They didn't kill my niggas, start the war, bring the nation. I got a ball situation, military bases when we travel across the nation. Double up the couple maple. Abomination on your paper, I got ankles. Black man when you walking in your label. Be the eyes, they don't wanna see you greater. Eat you alive like a lion or a gator. Mama's crying cause the police shot their babies. They crooked, the motherland, they done took crooked. They take us and lock us up and throw the book and take us. Started rapping, then I shook it. I hate the fame, everybody keep on looking. Fame, we done sold out Brooklyn. Sold out. Man, I miss my grandma cooking. Grandma, treat me like a don, cause I'm gifted. I'ma run the money, y'all gotta go. I'm a maniac, go crazy for the cash. Green Lamborghini, paper tags. Riding through the city, 30 mad. Niggas snitching, they the police with no badge. How I grew up, my mama with my dad. So when I blew up, I put her in the pad. I like to throw it when I think about the crash. Like hell, when I hit the tree, I smell the gas. Looking at the sky, think about my bag. When I used to kick it door, shoot you for the cash. Everybody hit the floor for you, make me mad. Devil had a nigga soul living too fast. Praying to the Lord, my soul to